Okay, let's talk about that one weekend chore we all do, grocery shopping. I've got a cart of items here, light shopper that I am, so I've got very few items, but I want to give you a sense of what you should be buying now that will make that grocery bill of yours lesser. That the amount you spend per month on groceries becomes lesser. So gentlemen, can I have you here with me to kind of describe for us what each item costs? Let's look at chocolates. How much are chocolates, Professor?
They come in the 5% bracket now.
Before?
They were in about 12% now.
So they're cheaper now?
They're cheaper now.
So then that means fun, sugary weekends for us because chocolates are cheaper. Let's look at ghee.
It's a 5% slab now. Earlier also it was 5, so nothing major changes on this. Open ghee still remain exempt.
So any dairy that becomes cheaper?
Sugar there has been reduced to 5%.
But dairy?
Dairy, milk
look at
earlier
milk as well.
there was no GST. Now also there is no GST.
No change in that?
No GST.
Okay.
So I see only shampoo otherwise has reduced from 18 to 5%.
Okay.
It's and
So then the biscuits, what about cookies? Cookies cheaper?
Yeah, this will be cheaper. Huh? This is
Cookies
a
are
5
cheaper?
cookies will be 5% only.
Chocolates are cheaper?
Cheaper 5% only.
Explain this to me. Cookies full of sugar, chocolates full of sugar, A-rated, more expensive?
Yes. No, I will not say more expensive. The same rate, 40% continues, but 12 to 28% plus cess.
So is this what they refer to when they say sin tax?
I mean, yes, there used to be a sin tax on this because the government wants to keep your health good. And they say anything aerated or carbonated and carry sugar.
Aerated, not for other drinks.
So juices?
Juices, no. If they're not aerated, they will be cheap.
Juice will be still in 5%. But the moment, because this is not a juice and this is a aerated, and that's why it is a 40%.
So what you paid?
Get water which is aerated, that will go to the income.
Oh, that becomes expensive.
Yes, aerated water becomes expensive.
So this is what it was earlier. There's no change in the rate in this. So I mean, I'm not going to pay out more, but I'm going to pay essentially what I was paying earlier. Diet Cokes, more expensive as well. But that's what I don't understand. Cookies which have so much sugar is going to be cheaper. So